Welcome to 99minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we're diving into how to customize a gift card widget using 99minds. Make sure you're logged in and have navigated to your dashboard. Now, let's take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll find an option for widgets. Go ahead and click on it, then select the gift card widget and hit the Customize button. This is where we'll be configuring settings for the gift card widget using 99minds. In this section, you'll see the layout options. You can choose between Layout 1 and Layout 2, and check out the Preview section to see what each looks like. Pick whichever layout best suits your needs. Next up is the Delivery Channel section. You have a few options here, such as selecting the type of gift card: digital, physical, or both. If you opt for both, you'll see a delivery channel option where you can choose email. This is where you adjust delivery settings. Additionally, you can set the primary color and, if desired, use the primary color for the secondary color as well. Choose from various color options here. Select any color you prefer to customize your widget. The same applies to the secondary options. Set the secondary color, the secondary text color, the inverted text color, and the background color. Now, moving on to fonts. You can select a font from a range of font families available in the drop-down menu. For the denomination section, you can input any amount for both digital and physical gift cards. For instance, you might want to start with 100. You have the flexibility to make changes too. Enter amounts like 100 or 150 and press Enter to set the denomination. The process is similar for physical gift cards. You can also set the minimum card amount for gift cards. Setting these amounts isn't mandatory, but you might choose to set a minimum of 1 with a maximum of 500. Editing is simple. You can adjust the maximum to 5,000 if needed. This is the denomination section. Now on to labels. You can set delivery mode headings, like digital gift card labels or physical gift card labels. Customize these labels to suit your preferences, along with different button texts. Feel free to rename buttons and text in this section. The same goes for visibility settings. There are various visibility options for the gift card widget on the storefront. You can toggle options like pre-selecting Send as a gift, showing themes, a balance check page, and allowing custom values for digital or physical cards. Enabling or disabling these toggle buttons will reflect these settings on the storefront gift card widget. You also have shipping options to consider. You can add shipping options, like standard shipping, and provide a description. Adjust these settings as necessary. Set the shipping mode and price. For example, you might set it at 12. Once you're satisfied, save the shipping settings. The last section to consider is Other Settings, where you can adjust the maximum digital order value. Set maximum and minimum order values as needed. Choose the countries from the list where the gift card is valid. Additionally, you can integrate Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics codes here. After finalizing all your settings, don't forget to click the Save button. To review all your settings, head to the store. Click on the gift card, and your 99minds gift card should display on the storefront. All the settings you've configured, like the purchase gift card label, will be visible here. You'll see the same settings applied for both physical and digital gift cards. The e-gift card refers to the digital version, and you're viewing Layout 1. This layout was set up in 99minds, along with the custom options like Send as a gift. The pre-selection for Send as a gift was enabled using 99minds toggle settings. You'll notice delivery options like Delivery Later, Delivery Now, and the Add to Cart button label. All these were configured through 99minds. And that's how you can set up and customize your gift card widget using the 99minds widget settings. Thanks for tuning in.